We got the Infiniti back, and I gotta replace the compressor. I don't know if y'all can see that down there. It's up under the. I was thinking about going and pulling it off from the bottom, but I'm just gonna do it from the top. So I'm gonna move the fan. So the next step is I have to raise the car up so I can drain the fluid, the antifreeze out of the radiator. So I had went on live, but I took those pieces off that holds the radiator and shit together. But I thought about it. I needed to take the fan off. All right, so the fan is out. So now I need to go and take this one off. Sit this over here so I know what side it's on. So the radiator's out the way as well. Now I got a lot of room. Hopefully I can pull the compressor up. Alright, so I loosened these two bolts up to get the freon out, which I think the freon is out now, so I can go and take those bolts all the way out. Always be careful when you're taking that out. That type shit. Alright, cool. So I got the compressor lines off. Now I need to just go ahead and take the rest of these bolts out. Then the compressor come right on. And boom, compressor is off. Now I just gotta wait for the loom.